Oh, hi guys, it's it again. Please like, subscribe, comment to us if comments only turn on. Share it with a friend if you want to. Subscribe to our fellow channels and ring the notifications bell to get notified on our next videos. So let's begin our topic. Is Titan adopted or borrowed an atmosphere from Saturn? Well, we don't know about it, but let's see. The facts about Titan are: Titan is the only moon that has atmosphere. That's we are wondering. Titan has a thick atmosphere. Then how does it have an atmosphere? Is it adopted or not? Well, either of the two. It's adopted from Saturn, or that meteor or celestial body collided with Saturn, forming Titan, but maybe borrowed an atmosphere from Saturn. That's my estimate, okay? It's just my estimate. So, that was my answer. But what is my true answer about it? Well, my true answer is Titan looks like adopted or borrowed an atmosphere before its formation. That's only the real answer to me. Okay? So, I already started my facts in description, guys, okay? And also translations for thanks for watching, okay? So, later I gonna take my facts in description, okay? So, also, I forgot something. Or topics in description. Okay guys, bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video and vlog.